Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna know how to insert a node in a single linked list. So at first we will try to insert a node at the front of the linked list. Okay, so let's create a method public void insert at front. Okay, int data. Let's insert at the front. For that we need to have something like insert at front if the linked list. At first we need to make the head, that's the one that points to the first node, that points like this in this one. This is header, this is head, 12 is head. It is the first node of the linked list. So let's make a node head that points to null. Initialize it as null. Later if it points to 12 if we create a linked list. Let's try to insert it. Okay, head. Let's create a new node, new node, which is equals to new node with data, and let's pass null because it's the first node, so it will point to nothing. Like it's the first node, so it will point to nothing. 12 will point to, the next will point to null. So that's how we created a new node. Then initialize the head as new node. Yes, we can initialize it is assigned to head. So now the new node will be head, and it is a case in which the new node, there's no any node, but if in the case there are more nodes in the back like this, there's more node. So if we want to insert 2 in front of this, we need some other methods. Like is the case if head equals to null, it is in the case if it is empty, but in case if it is not empty, then we have like else statement, that first we will just make the pointer of new node dot next, it will point to new node with point to head, and head it is equals to new node. That's how we insert at the beginning of the link. That's how we insert in the beginning. New node dot next is equals to head, head is equals to new node. Let's try it. Let's create a single linked list s, which is equals to new print functions that will print the data. Public void print, that will print the data. So let's create a node n, which is initialized as head. So it will move from head to the last, to the null. So while n it is not equals to null, we have to move it. N equals to n dot next, it has to move one position. So while it is moving, it should print the content of that node. So SOUT n dot data plus, let's do like this. Okay, and then it will print the null, because at last it will point to null. Everything points to null. The last node points to null. So that's how it is. Let's run it. Okay, that's how it works. Now let's add another in the front. Let's add 2 in the front. So 2 should be in front of this. So let's try it. Yeah, it is working. Ta-da!